coming to this old town. And you're gonna be amazed when you get a good look at the legend in a vine called Bigfoot. Everyone's talking about Wienerschnitzel's new Bigfoot, a gigantically delicious extra-long hot dog served 5 different ways. You won't believe this legend in a bun.
Nobody hot dogs it like you do.
Buy any Bigfoot, the hot dog, and get up to $9.95 off admission to Knott's Berry Farm.
Where is everybody? Where did everybody go? Where is everybody? Where is everybody?
Arby's roast beef sale.
Really?
Arby's 99-cent roast beef sale. A regular roast beef sandwich for just 99 cents. But hurry, it ends soon.
These two moms are a sign of the times. They're on a roll to 7-Eleven. The only place they can fuel their engines with a couple of the hottest dogs going. 7-Eleven quarter-pound Big Bites. Oscar Mayer beef hot dogs. Fresh grilled, topped with free chili and cheese. Quarter-pound Big Bites. They're going fast, only at 7-Eleven. The sign of the times.
There's something over there you can't get anywhere. Where the best food in town meets the best price around. It's easy to tell this is a new Taco Bell.
Now our prices are hard to beat, like 59 cents each for tacos, burritos, tostadas. So cross the border to Taco Bell, where the best food meets an even better price.
Make a run for the border.
Domino's Pizza would like to suggest a great place for lunch. Your place. Because Domino's is now delivering hot, fresh pizza for lunch in 30 minutes or less guaranteed. So call Domino's and make your place a great place for lunch.
Call Domino's Pizza for lunch, dinner, or late-night snack and get a hot and delicious pizza delivered fresh to your home or office within 30 minutes or less, guaranteed. Some locations not open for lunch.
Extra, extra! Kentucky Fried Chicken's new extra tasty, crispy, and a great deal. Millions cross the road to get it. 2 pieces of new extra tasty, crispy, mashed potatoes and gravy, and a hot biscuit, all for $1.99.
Tastier. Great chicken.
Extraordinary.
But hurry! This tantalizing offer can't last much longer. Extra, extra! The new extra tasty, crispy meal. Just $1.99 at Kentucky Fried Chicken.